Hi, welcome to day 3 of your free 5-day breathing challenge. I am interested in talking about nose breathing today. If you are someone that talks a lot in your job or in your life, I invite you to notice how much you breathe in through your mouth to take in as much air as you can. I'm practicing as I speak to breathe in through my nose during the pauses for breath. This is something I've learned through Robin Rothenberg's book, Restoring Prana. She even talks about taping the mouth to help with nose breathing, like even while you sleep, tape your mouth. So my invitation to you is to right now begin breathing in and out the nose. Now, if you caught yesterday's video, we did a nose clearing practice to help you clear the nose if it's stuffy. And today I am inviting you to simply breathe normally in and out the nose. And while you do that, I'm going to share a little bit from the book about how the nose was designed for breathing. So as I'm speaking, continue breathing in and out the nose. So first of all, the nose is our first line of defense for our immune system. And in this day and age, I am definitely, if I'm out in public, I'm breathing in and out my nose. Also, it warms and humidifies and cleans the air that we breathe. And the nose helps us control airflow, the whole nasal cavity. It's all through these upper airways. It helps us control airflow. Also, nose breathing links us to our autonomic nervous system. Our autonomic nervous system is the relaxation response. And then our limbic brain, which is our emotional center, and our sense of smell are connected to our sense of survival. So nose breathing, in effect, helps with feeling safe in our world and surviving and thriving, in my opinion. Also, nasal breathing supports your oxygen uptake. So it gives you good perfusion of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the lungs. Now I want to add something to nose breathing. So while you're listening and breathing in and out your nose, I want you to take your tongue and imagine you're sucking a lozenge. And as you do that, this also stimulates relaxation response. It's like when you were a baby and you were nursing, or it's in a way stimulating the vagus nerve for polyvagal theorists. So there's nothing for you to change or do differently other than all day today, when you remember, breathe in and out your nose. All day today, when you remember, pretend you're sucking on a lozenge at the roof of your mouth. Don't do so much sucking that you actually like damage the roof of your mouth and make it raw, but some light placing of the tongue. And if you talk a lot for work or in general, pause, breathe in through the nose, and then allow that to become a habit, to inhale through the nose. Let your nose hairs grab anything that doesn't belong in your lungs. Allow your nasal passageways to warm and humidify and purify the air that we breathe. So thank you for joining me for day 3, and I'll see you tomorrow.